Well friends, now we demonstrate to you how we make the profile uh, on a on the development of a cone, how we transfer the profile so corresponding to a section plane, so as shown in the diagram, so over to the development. So what we do, so we need to transfer first one by one, so different points. Let us say we start with point 1. So also please note, in the development you may be asked, you develop it, you develop the cone with starting with the leftmost generator and in the counterclockwise direction, then this particular development is valid. So you may be asked to develop the cone starting with some other generator, maybe 4, maybe 7, or maybe the this way. So rightmost generator also you may be asked to develop. So then you will start with 0.7 and you will end also with 7. So according to the statement, you have to actually draw the development. So this development is corresponding to the statement when it is asked to be developed using the leftmost slant edge and in the counterclockwise direction. So in the clockwise direction, if it is asked and starting with the leftmost slant edge, then after 1 you will start with 12 and 11 and 10. So that is another important piece of information that you can keep in mind. Now moving ahead with the problem at hand. So we have to transfer the point. Let us start with the point 1. So we have the point 1 here. So the important point on point 1. So first of all, let us mark. So line using the intersection here and orthogonal line we need. So it is transferred onto the point, onto the generator number 1, the required point. So directly, because it is true length even in the front view, so directly it will be transferred like this. Now the point on generator 2 and 12 both are overlapping. So let us see how we transfer that. So line with intersection at this intersection. So we will move it to the point 1 only. So we will move the point over 2 or 12 also just over to 1, and then we draw the arc with the center point method and the center here, and then intersection here. So the arc is to be transferred. So I will switch off F8. So it is to be transferred on 2 as well as 12. So I can draw it. Okay, only up to 2 I can draw because it is symmetric. About 7, so I can transfer the point over 2 to 12 using 7 as the generator 7 as the mirror. So this point I will easily get it transferred to 12 also is. Now the point on 3 and 11, so for that I draw again the horizontal line, transfer it to the generator 1 on the development, and then again draw the arc with center here, and intersection. So I need arc with the center point here, and it should be at this intersection. From here F8 again press. So I have to transfer it to 3. So this is how I get the point. So I can mark this using the point command also, so that I can clearly remember what are the important points. So it is on 2, then again I have the point on 3. So point on 3 is on 11 also. Line from for the point on 4. So again similar procedure. So arc with center point method, and the intersection here and intersection here, and F8 closed. So this is the transfer point on 4, and then on 5 again. So I apply a similar procedure. From the point on 5 I draw the horizontal, move, transfer the point onto the first generator which is available, the true length, and then draw the arc with the center point method, and center here and the starting point here, and I have to move it to point number 5. Then I have to draw it from 6, move it here, draw the arc with center point method, with the center here and starting point here, F8, moving it on to 6. Then again the last point, in the similar way we transfer arc with center point method, center here, starting point here, F8, and I transfer it onto 7. So the point is here, the point for this is already drawn, so I will remove it. Then again the next point is here, then point is on 5, then the point is on 4. So on 3 to 1 already the points are drawn. So now I can mirror these things. Mirror the point on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The location of the mirror is the 7, the generator 7. So this is how the points are transferred. So I can now remove all the construction lines or the arcs, all the construction arcs I can remove. I can also remove the lines. Now we connect the nodes on the development using the P line, so that it can be converted to even a smooth curve, or a simple line will also will do. So we use the P line command. P line starting with node, so node here, then the next node, here, next node here, next node here, next node here, next node is here, here, it is almost a smooth curve, so we don't need to even fit the curve through it. It is already a curve because we have sufficient number of generators. Now the portion which will be trimmed, so that we have to remove. So P line will also help us in selecting just the single line as the cutting edge, and this way, so we can trim the portion of the cone which is actually not there, because we are assuming the upper part or the portion of the cone between the section plane and the observer to be removed. So in the top view, though we are not showing this cut because it is basically a development, but in it is basically the question of development. So sectional top view is not asked because it is a hollow solid, but we have to show this in the development part. So this is how we complete the problem. So thank you.